Hi friends, once again, welcome to Passiontronics, my YouTube channel. Ashok Jadhav welcomes you. Today, we'll study gate trigger circuit. Not exactly gate trigger circuit, but general or schematic block diagram of trigger circuit. That means what are the essential components or the blocks in a standard gate triggering circuit that we want to discuss. The circuit, this slide shows you the circuit. Now let us try to understand this circuit. Actually, see here, these two lines are the power line. Here it is a line voltage, high voltage, power voltage, and this block indicates uh, thyristor power controller. That means it can have several SCRs like devices, and that can be triggered, and they are fired at appropriate instant in every half cycle of the AC, and you get here at the output controlled power that is to be connected to load. That means this is a high power circuit, power supply line and thyristor power controller here, and you get it. So in order to control these power devices in this block, we are going to provide a gate triggering pulses to all the SCRs using that controller. So whole idea is that, look at this, we have taken here two line and small transformer. This is a step down transformer which gives a small voltage. That means it is a sample of AC line voltage. It is taken here, and you see this second of this transformer is connected to this delay angle circuit or delay angle block. This delay angle block actually generates the ramp voltage. Ramp you have studied last year. The voltage which increases, suppose this is time axis, and the voltage that increases linearly with time, and that is the ramp. That means you get a relation between that increasing voltage and time. As it increases with time, therefore you have relation between voltage and time. That is a ramp voltage. Such ramp voltage is generated, then that is compared using comparator with control voltage sample. It may be anything depending upon the ramp size, maximum minimum level. So it is control there, and when that two voltage matches, we want to generate triggering pulse. So it here actually, or you can see that here, that is again the same thing is explained. You have tried here to show you how these ramp voltages are synchronized with the zero crossing. For that reason, this transformer is also called as zero crossing detector. जब जब भी ये लाइन वोल्टेज जीरो से जाएगा, तब तक ये डिले एंगल ब्लॉक में रैंप की शुरुआत होगी. See here how it is done. The first waveform is sinusoidal waveform, that is the AC voltage, and for AC in India we have this time period as 20 millisecond. For half cycle it is 10 millisecond. Okay, so when this voltage is zero in second waveform, the ramp is generated. You observe this, the voltage increases linearly with time, and when there is a zero cross here, when this line voltage becomes zero, this ramp terminates. ये खत्म हो रहा है यहाँ. Again, the next this half cycle begins. Once again, the ramp is generated. And this is how for each half cycle we get one ramp. One ramp. That means we call this as a synchronized ramp, and this ramp is synchronized with the line voltage. This is one thing. Now for how we get the time reference, let us consider one example, that this ramp circuit here in the delay angle block is such that, say for example, from this 0 to this, you know that this is a 10 millisecond, and assume that this voltage changes from 0 volt to 10 वोल्ट। 0 वोल्ट से वो 10 वोल्ट हो रहा है, कितने समय में 10 मिलीसेकेंड। 10 मिलीसेकेंड में वो 10 वोल्ट हो रहा है, and that is linearity it is increasing linearly with time. So you can imagine now, अगर 1 वोल्ट होने के लिए कितना टाइम लगेगा, फिर 1 मिलीसेकेंड। 2 वोल्ट होने के लिए इसको कितना टाइम लगेगा, 2 मिलीसेकेंड। 3 वोल्ट बनने के लिए इसको राइज होने के लिए कितना लगेगा, 3 मिलीसेकेंड। 8 वोल्ट आने के लिए, वो रैम की लेवल 8 वोल्ट होने के लिए 8 मिलीसेकेंड, और 10 वोल्ट होने के लिए उसको 10 मिलीसेकेंड। You got the time relation? Okay. Then the idea is that this circuit you have studied last year. This is an op-amp comparator. This is an open loop amplifier. Therefore, it has a tremendous gain, 1 lakh gain. And we have inverting and non-inverting input. And say for one input we apply control voltage. This control voltage, right? And for other terminal we are applying this ramp voltage, and see how time voltages are generated. Time reference pulses can be generated. You have studied op-amp comparator. What is comparator? Actually we also call it as a sorry, Schmitt trigger. So whole idea is that, suppose that here I have applied 3 volt and here ramp is applied. That means voltage is increasing from 0 to 10. And you know that when these two comparator, when this level becomes equal to this, the output of the op-amp changes from one state to other state. For example, suppose it is at minus VCC, and when that ramp voltage becomes, for example this is 3, कंट्रोल वोल्टेज यहाँ 3 है, तो रैम्प वोल्टेज जब 3 होगा तो ऑपरेशनल एम्पलीफायर का आउटपुट माइनस VCC से प्लस VCC हो जाएगा। कब होगा वो कंपैरिजन? सो दैट विल गिव 3 मिलीसेकेंड डिले. So this is how that pulse output of op-amp can be used as a triggering pulse. So one pulse is generated, and that pulse here in delay angle block is generated. It is amplified. That drives the primary of all these 4 pulse transformer, and we get the pulses across the secondary of the transformer. So we have here 4 transformer where I have showed. This is T1, this is T2, T3 and T4, and these secondaries of the pulse transformer can be connected to gate cathode of SCR that are used in this power controller. यही पावर कंट्रोल सर्किट में जो SCR है उसके गेट्स को अपन ये पल्स अप्लाई करेंगे, और गेट पल्स कब आएगा? जब ये अपनी कंडीशन सेटिस्फाई होंगे। कौन सी कंडीशन? जब रैम्प वोल्टेज कंट्रोल वोल्टेज के बराबर होगा तब, और वो कब होगा? डिपेंड्स अपॉन द कंट्रोल वोल्टेज. सो द सेम थिंग आई हैव written here that control pulses are referenced with line voltage by delay angle circuit. हमने देख लिया हो, here line voltage is converted into ramp, वो भी देखा है, which is synchronized with the zero crossing of line voltage, वो भी देखा हमने. इसके जीरो के साथ इसको जीरो आएगा, ये जीरो के साथ ये जीरो, दैट इज सिंक्रोनाइजेशन हो गया. एंड देन बाय यूजिंग कंपैरेटर द रैम्प वोल्टेज, ये रैम्प जनरेट किया हुआ ये op-amp कंपैरेटर को जा रहा है. द रैम्प वोल्टेज इज कंपेयर्ड विद द कंट्रोल सिग्नल एंड कंट्रोल पल्सेस आर जनरेटेड. द डिले एंगल, सो ये कंट्रोल पल्स कब आएगा? दैट इज डिसाइडेड बाय दिस कंट्रोल वोल्टेज. यू कैन get this control pulse anything from 0 value, I mean 0 millisecond to 10 milliseconds. So that means firing angle can be anything from 0 to 180 degree. See how we can control, that is I have given 2 points. For low control voltage, मान लीजिए हमने ये कंट्रोल वोल्टेज कम रखा, तो कम रखा मतलब मान लीजिए 3 वोल्ट रखा है, तो 3 मिलीसेकेंड को वो बराबर हो जाएगा और कंट्रोल पल्स मिलेगा, राइट. So SCRs will fire earlier in every cycle and will deliver more power to load, right. मान लीजिए हमने इसको बढ़ा दिया, कंट्रोल वोल्टेज लेवल बढ़ा दिया, से 8 मिलीसेकेंड, सॉरी 8 वोल्ट, कंट्रोल वोल्टेज को हमने 8 वोल्ट बना दिया, तो ये रैम का 8 वोल्टेज कम होगा, 8 वोल्ट कम होगा आफ्टर 8 मिलीसेकेंड. तो अगर ये वोल्टेज हम बढ़ाते हैं तो कंपैरेटर में जो बराबरी कब होगी, 8 मिली सेकेंड को होगी, और 8 मिली सेकेंड के बाद pulse will be generated. That means, see here, with high VC, SCR will fire late in every cycle, and that will deliver lower power to load. So this is how uh, power can be conveniently controlled just by having small potentiometer. और ये वोल्टेज 3 से 4 करना, 5 करना, 8 करना, ये कोई बड़ी बात नहीं. Having the sample voltage from the circuit itself, having the potentiometer, and that can be easily changed. That means you are changing the firing angle of the SCR. So I think the operation of this circuit is clear to you, and if you have any confusion, don't worry, my Huna, ask me. It's time to stop here. See you next time. Love you all. Bye.